Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss what is preposition. It is a word that is used to connect noun or a pronoun with other words in the sentences. Today we will learn what is preposition and its different types. Different preposition shows different relations. We have three types of preposition. First, preposition of place. Where someone or something is, such prepositions are called preposition of place. Let's have a look at some examples to make the concept clear. My birthday falls in the month of March. Here, when my birthday falls, it falls in the month of March. Here, in is a linking word and hence is preposition. Our next example. Ricky swims on Saturday. Here, the preposition is on. On is the connecting word. Remember that this preposition links when one thing happens in context to the other. Let's move to our second preposition. Our second preposition is preposition of time. When an event happens or has happened in the past, such prepositions are called preposition of time. Let's have a look at some examples to make the concept clear. I will meet you at 7. At is the preposition and connecting word. Second example. How long will the term be? The term will be for 3 months. Here, 4 is the preposition and the connecting word. Remember, this preposition provides where the thing is respect to other. Third one is preposition of direction, in which someone or something comes or goes. Such prepositions are called preposition of direction. Let's have a look at some examples to make the concept clear. We went to London last week. Here, to describes in which direction we went. So, here, to is the linking word and hence is preposition. Next example. He went up the hill. Here, up describes in which direction he went. So, here up is a linking word. Remember, this preposition provides in which direction the thing is respect to another. So, these are the main three types of preposition. A quick revision. We have learned how to use few prepositions such as at, up, for, in. A quick tutorial. Fill in the blanks with correct preposition. The cup is dash the table. Answer. On. I am sure you guessed it right. What time is the party? The party begins dash 8. Answer is at. When is your mother's birthday? My mother's birthday is dash 8th June. Answer is on. I am sure you guessed it right. So, that's all about preposition. Thanks for watching.